If you find these videos helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link in the description below. Question: a series RL circuit has following parameters. R is equal to 200 ohm. Here the value of resistance is given, that is 200 ohm. L is equal to 40 millihenry, that is the value of inductance is given, it is 40 millihenry. Calculate the power factor, that is we have to find cos phi of the circuit and draw the vector diagram. Frequency of supply is 50 Hz. Solution: first we will write what is given. So given R is equal to 200 ohm. So R is equal to 200 ohms. Then L is equal to 40 millihenry. 40 millihenry. Now it is given in milli, so we will cut it into Henry. So this will be 40 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 Henry. Now from these values we can find XL, that is inductive reactance. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL, where this F is the frequency, L is the inductance. So this will be 2 pi multiplied by F is 50 Hz multiplied by L is inductance, and it is 40 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now if we solve this, 2 pi 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 50 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be 12.56. 12.56. Now here it is inductive reactance, so it will be ohm. Now we can also find the value of Z. Z is the total impedance. So Z is equal to R plus JXL. Now here it is the RL series circuit. Since it is a RL series circuit, so Z is equal to R plus JXL. Now the value of R is given. The value of R is 200. So this will be 200 plus J. The value of XL is 12.56. 12.56. Now here it is given in rectangular form. This is given in rectangular form. We have to convert this into polar form. Now to convert this into polar form, we have to find the value of Z is equal to R at an angle of theta. So R is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Now here we can see x is 200 and y is 12.56. So this will be under root of 200 square plus 12.56 square. So this will be under root of 200 square plus 12.56 square. So this will be 200.39. 200.39. Now next is theta. So theta will be tan inverse of yx. Now again here this is x and this is y. So y is 12.56 divided by x is 200. So this will be tan inverse of 12.56 divided by 200. So it is 3.59. 3.59. It is the value of theta. So we will substitute these values in this polar form. This is a polar form. This is called as polar form. Now Z is equal to R at an angle of theta. The value of R is 200.39 at an angle of theta. The value of theta is 3.59. Now since it is impedance, so its unit will be ohm. we can write this in bracket. Now we have to find power factor. We have to find the power factor, and power factor is equal to cos phi. The value of phi is, we can say this is a phi. This is the angle, phase angle. So it will be cos 3.59. So cos of 3.59 will be 0.998. 0.998. So therefore, power factor is equal to 0.998. So this is our final answer. Then next we have to draw the vector diagram. So to draw vector diagram, we will take this voltage as a reference. Then here in this question, this is a RL series circuit. Now in case of RL series circuit, the power factor will be lagging. So this current will be lagging at an angle of phi is equal to, here we can see phi is equal to 3.59. So this will be 3.59, and this will be current I, and this will be lagging. So this is our vector diagram. So this is our final answer of power factor and vector diagram.